Hello, my name is Greg Genta. In this short video clip, I am going to demonstrate the integration between Forcepoint CASB and Forcepoint Web Security. In case you didn't know, the integration with Forcepoint CASB and Forcepoint Web Security is now available. You can now acquire a license for the new Forcepoint Web Security Cloud App Control module. This module allows Forcepoint Web Security to forward requests made to enterprise cloud applications such as Office 365 directly to the Forcepoint CASB for proper handling. In this video, first I'm going to give an overview of how to set up the integration. Next, we will see the integration in action, and then we will see the results. Once you become a Forcepoint CASB customer or you acquire the Forcepoint Web Security Cloud App Control module, the integration between the two solutions is easy to set up. In the settings section of the Forcepoint CASB portal, you will need to set up an API access key. To do this, simply click on the Add API Access key. This will generate an API access key that will need to be copied and saved so that later we can put this information into Forcepoint Web Security to complete the API integration. On Forcepoint Web Security, click on CASB Configuration and Protected Cloud Apps. As you can see here, it is already set up in my environment, but in an unconfigured environment, you will see a link right here that will say Connect to Forcepoint CASB, and you will be able to click on it. It will pop up a dialog box just like this one, where you can enter the API access keys that we created on Forcepoint CASB. Next, you will just need to click the On button. Then after that, just go through and select the enterprise cloud apps that you are using in your environment. In my configuration here, I'm just using Office 365 and Box. As you can see at the bottom of the screen here, you will use Forcepoint CASB Management Portal to view incidents, customize CASB policies, or configure assets. On Forcepoint CASB, let's take a quick look at a security policy that I want to implement in Office 365. I want to prevent corporate users from externally sharing documents with anyone outside of my organization. So let's go to Security Policies and go to User Activity Control. This is the policy I have configured. As you can see here, if anyone is doing an external share or a share with someone outside of my organization, Forcepoint CASB is going to block that action. The great thing about the integration with CASB and web security is that now all traffic destined for Office 365 will automatically be sent from the on-premise proxy to the CASB for proper handling and policy enforcement. For the user experience, nothing will change. So I have a client machine that is behind my on-premise proxy, and I can log on to Office 365. Notice it's just a standard login scenario. Let me click on OneDrive. And again, I want to prevent the sharing of a file from outside of my organization. So I have a Gmail account. What we'll see is it will be blocked and we will get the block page. So back in Forcepoint CASB, we're able to see under the audit log that this action was indeed blocked. The integration between Forcepoint Web Security and Forcepoint CASB allows you to quickly and easily take control of your enterprise cloud applications. My name is Greg Genta. If you have any questions, you can email me at greg.genta@forcepoint.com. You can also contact the sales rep for your area. Thank you so much for watching.